Happy 2018, friends. Coming at you makeup free, looking fabulous. I'm about to do a 6-mile run, which should be interesting since I pulled my groin. And believe it or not, pulling a groin is actually a thing. I didn't know it, but I'm healing up from that. So I actually started my day late. It's currently noon. I've been up since 6, but I didn't get out of bed until like 11 o'clock, which is really, really late for me. Like, the latest I usually get out of bed is 7. So I got to sleep in. I've got this nice little friend here. Menstrual breakouts, maybe TMI, but that's how my first day of my year is starting. Let me take this off so you guys can see me. So I'm about to run 6 miles. I'm gonna come home. It's gonna be a chill day. But I thought I should make this a tradition on my channel because last year we walked 6 miles. We walked to the beach. We had lunch. It would just be nice to document it and see what I did on the first day of every year. So starting the day off with a run. Actually, I took Coco out. I should have vlogged that. He looks so cute in his sweater. Took Coco out. And now I'm going to run. And then filming. So it's probably going to be a boring vlog, but I'm going to want to remember it. So let's get running. Oh God, help me. Alright, that run was a fail. This is literally like 2 minutes later. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm limping because my legs started hurting so bad. So I'm gonna have to go see a doctor. Hopefully I can still run the marathon. I'm really scared that he's gonna say like you can't run for 2 months or something, because look at me. I literally ran for 2 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I'm limping, so I'm scared, friends. So I'm just gonna go to the gym instead. All right, friends, I thought before I go to the gym, oops, whoa. Did you guys see that? I almost hit him with my door. I thought before I go to the gym, I would go to the beach. This is like my little tradition. I tried to get Race, my boyfriend, to come with me, but he has to work, so. Last New Year's Day, he and I actually walked to the beach from our house, and it took us a while because we were just taking our time. We live like 3 miles from the beach, and that was nice, but then we had to walk back, so it took a while. It's like 6.5 miles or something. So this is one of like my favorite streets to park on when I want to come to the beach. I think it's called Georgina Avenue. It's in Santa Monica, and they have like some beautiful homes. And let me turn the camera around. You can see how pretty the beach is, but let me turn the camera around so you can see how pretty the street is. It's so, look at how pretty it is. And I love, like, so basically straight at the end of the street, that's where the beach is, but I love how like the palm trees are, how wide the street is, and it's a very long street. It goes like all the way up there, and the houses are just gorgeous. This one's getting redone. They've been redoing this house for a while, but they're very, very expensive. Like when I first moved to LA, I was like, oh, these houses are probably not too bad because some of them are a little older. I looked it up and I like was shocked. Like that house right there, I think is like $4 million. 4 or 5? They're very expensive. I don't know what I was thinking. I was a newbie to LA. So basically New Year's Day, it's kind of my tradition. Actually every holiday, like Thanksgiving, my mom and I, we always come to the beach and we pray. Christmas, we come to the beach and we pray. And then New Year's Day, I usually come with Race, but he had to work. So I have to keep the tradition up myself. So before I go to the gym, I'm gonna go to the beach, have a little prayer, work out, and then I'm gonna go film. I think I'm gonna live stream also, take some pics for Instagram. I make use of my day off, friends. I make use of it. So let's go to the water. I'll show you. It's a little foggy today. It was foggy last night, but the fog's kind of cleared up. And I think it's like 64 degrees right now. I was looking at the temperature like around the country. Most places are like freezing. Like my dad said in DC right now, it's like 10 degrees. Race's family lives in Missouri. It was -6 yesterday. I was like, oh my God, I'm so grateful to, because sometimes when it's in the 60s here, I really should turn the camera around when I'm talking to you guys, but okay, let's just go look at the beach. I'm just rambling. Okay, here's the beach. It's such a pretty day. Look at the sun. The beach is packed today. I don't know if you guys can see all those people down here. Well, it's not packed, but it's quite a few people. It's a popular destination, and there's a lot of tourists in town. So this is the street. That's the street over there that I just walked down. And then you come over here. And then over there, where that mountain is, that's Malibu. And then this is Santa Monica. You can't see the pier because these trees are blocking it, but the pier is down there. Such a beautiful day. Left the gym. I was craving a salad, so I thought we could do a quick grocery store haul. This wine I actually bought for Christmas and we just never drank it. And this cute little, what do you call these? They're like the things you put in your wine. Bottle stopper. My mom gave it to me for Christmas, which is so cute. So I have to open that. That's from Pier 1. So I'm craving salad, so I went and bought a bunch of yummy, healthy stuff. Organic green kale, because last night we went on a boat cruise. I'll show you guys some footage of the boat cruise now. So when we went on the boat cruise afterwards, we went to McDonald's. You guys, I've literally gained 10 pounds in 2 months. So it's time to get back to good healthy weight. So what is this? Is this romaine or iceberg? I don't know. This is another lettuce. I'm going to make an Italian salad. Picked up some organic cherry tomatoes. I think all this stuff is organic. This little, well, it's not little. This big organic cucumber was like $2. Organic stuff is so expensive sometimes. Organic cucumber. I was craving an orange, so I picked up an orange. And then the Italian recipe salad that I found, it calls for radicchio. I actually had to look up what radicchio was. I thought radicchio was like red cabbage, but it looks kind of like red cabbage, but it's not. Again, this was kind of pricey. I think this was like $4 or $5 for this little thing. It's kind of pricey, but so we've got kale. I'm not putting the kale in the salad. I'm going to steam that and take that to work tomorrow. Lettuce, cucumber, orange, tomatoes, and then there's more. Also picked up a bottle of water because I forgot to take water to the gym. I always have water with me when I go to the gym and I totally forgot it. Picked up some more organic lettuce. I think this one is the romaine. I don't know. The salad recipe calls for like 3 different types of lettuces. Think like iceberg, romaine, radicchio. So that'll be good. Picked up some Gatorades because hopefully when I start running again, these are really good because you sweat a lot and it has sodium in it. I think that's what they're good for. Or they have electrolytes, which is basically sodium, so it helps replenish your sodium levels, whatever. Something like that. I don't know. It's like a nice flavored drink. It's supposed to be good when you're running. Also, I think I told you guys, 3 days a week, I don't eat meat. So this whole salad, the Italian salad recipe that I found actually calls for like pepperoni and stuff. But Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, I don't eat meat. So I picked up some vegan Parmesan because the recipe does call for Parmesan. So I'm basically making it, I was going to say it's vegetarian, but one of my New Year's resolutions, and today is January 1st. Oh my God, what was that? Oh, I thought that was a fly. It's a piece of radicchio. One of my New Year's resolutions is to be totally dairy-free. Actually, the last half of 2017, so from June until December, I ate no cheese. But this year, I'm going to be completely dairy-free because I feel like it helped transform my skin. I feel better. Whenever I eat anything dairy, I just feel like, ugh. And I haven't had cow's milk, like actual milk, in years. So anyways. So I eat vegetarian Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but since I'm doing dairy-free, I'm basically vegan, I guess you could say. Yeah, basically Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, I'm vegan. It's not even just vegetarian anymore. But you guys know, I've told you many times, I was vegan for a year, so it's not a big deal to me. I was vegan for a year, and I was vegetarian for 5 years, so it's very normal to me. Also picked up some olives, green olives. The recipe calls for green olives only, but for some reason the grocery store, all the olives I found, they were all stuffed with like blue cheese, feta, and all this cheese. I'm like, I don't want that. And then lastly, I picked up a balsamic vinegar glaze, which is going to be so good. Look at that photo. I love balsamic vinegar and I love balsamic vinegar glazes. So that's it. This is my healthy January 1st food haul. I think I'm actually going to go do my makeup first because I want to live stream tonight. So I'm going to go do my makeup. Then I'll come make my salad. So I want to film a lot too. And it's currently like 4 o'clock. So next time you see me, I should have some makeup on. So before I start live streaming and doing my makeup, I'm practicing my flat lays. Ooh, look at how it glimmers in this camera. I'm practicing my flat lays for Instagram. If you haven't seen my Instagram, I'll leave a link to it down below. I'm trying to post more frequently on there. I have a tendency of posting like 2 photos and then not posting for a month. So I want to post daily, at least 1 photo a day. These are actually little Christmas trees that I got from Pier 1, so I thought they would look cute in the photos. Like, this is what it looks like from afar. But then when you take the photo at a closer angle, I have no idea why they're like glimmering like that. It doesn't do that in my 4K camera. So this is the first one. I'm going to do a couple more because when I work during the week, it's almost impossible for me to take photos for Instagram. So like product shots I can do on the weekend and do it in bulk. Like you can get a little behind the scenes of my filming area. All this stuff, I'm going to take it down tomorrow. I'm so sad. I already took down my real Christmas tree. Got to take down that one. This little candy cane one, and then that one back there I've shown you guys. I don't really like that one, but look at this table. It's a total disaster. I still need to film my press-on eyeshadow video. Like, January 1st is a very busy day, if you can't already tell. What have we done? We went to the gym, we went to the beach, we went to the grocery store. I didn't even show you guys. I went to my mom's house too. Like, I've been all over the place. And we're just getting started. This is how I want my year to be. Busy and successful and very, what's the word I'm looking for? Why am I drawing a blank? I'm trying to say the word like when you get a lot accomplished. We'll just use that. So photo 1, I like the way it turned out. I think I'm going to actually take it with this camera because I like the way it looks better here. And then I'm going to do a couple more, and then I'm finally going to do some makeup and get to... Hello, friends. Present day Nikki here. Hopefully you enjoyed that vlog. Finally, I was able to get the footage off of my phone onto my computer, so now I can start catching up with my vlogs. I'm so excited because I know there's a lot of new subbies, and I feel like vlogs are a good way to get to know someone. So I got everything off of here, so there will be some vlogs coming at you, at least 1 a week. Probably more because I am backed up, like months backed up. So I wanted to jump in and do some product reviews. If you're new around here, I'd like to pop in at the end of all of my videos and show you products I've either been loving, not loving, any PR I've gotten. So let's do this. First up, I feel like if you've watched even one of my videos, you know I love this brand. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. You can put this all over your body. It's a very warm, I don't want to say musty, but like warm, sweet scent with no floral hints. It smells like vanilla, coconut, caramel. It smells like candy. I put it everywhere. I particularly like to put this on before, I always spray too much, before I go to bed because my boyfriend loves it. This smells amazing. I love it. I actually purchased this myself, and then Sol de Janeiro actually sent me some travel size ones. So I'm like, thank God, I'll never run out. I actually heard about this through Jessica Braun, and I was like, I gotta try that because I love everything from them. A lot of their products have this scent, like the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, their foot cream. They have an acai body power cream that's like a purple can. That smells a little different. That's more of a sweet scent. I love it. I could rave about it all day. Next up, to stay on the body care theme, we have the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. So if you've never tried this, you keep it in your shower. The way it works is while your body is damp, you put it all over your body or wherever you have dry skin, and then you dry off. And the key behind this is that it locks the moisture that's already on your skin in, and I love it. This is the one with coconut oil. I also have the one with argan oil. I've been using this for months. I actually heard about this through Tati. She talked about it, and I was like, oh, I should try it out because I have very dry skin on my legs, and I love it. Thumbs up. Next up, we're going to move up to a pricey product. This is the Skinceuticals HA Intensifier. So this is a multifunctional serum to help amplify skin hyaluronic acids. If you don't know, hyaluronic acid is really good to bring moisture into the skin. This is pricey. It's $90. What I have to say about this, and then I won't talk about it anymore unless you guys want like a full review video on it, because I feel like I've talked to you guys a lot about this product. It's really good at plumping, moisturizing the skin. That's what hyaluronic acid does. And it's also really good for fine lines and just lines. I don't have a lot of wrinkles on my skin, so I don't want to tell you, oh, it's like going to take all your wrinkles away, because I really only have fine lines under the eyes here. And I have noticed that it really does a good job of moisturizing my under eye area and making it feel, I always get like so mesmerized. I'm like, ooh, I'm such a child. It's just really good at moisturizing, plumping the skin. And I noticed a difference. It diminished my fine lines. I'm trying to think, when did I first tell you guys about this? I think maybe a month ago. I've been using it every day. So it comes with a little, I want to call this a Doppler. Why am I thinking, is that right? I don't know. And this is what it looks like. It's like a light purple color. Rub it into the skin. You need very little of it, and it's great. I like it. Do you have to have it? I don't think so. If you don't have a lot of fine lines, wrinkles, if you're not trying to plump the skin, but if you are trying to plump your skin, diminish the appearance of fine lines, I do like it. I think it's worth the price. It's 90 bucks, but it's good. Next up, the Chella Heated Eyelash Curler. If you didn't see my full review video on this, I'll leave a link to it down below. What I have to say about this is it's great at curling your lashes, not so much at adding length, but you are supposed to use it after you use your mascara. So if you use a lengthening mascara and then go in with this, you'll have really long, curly lashes. So I like it. Does it replace me having to put on fake eyelashes? No, but I know a lot of you don't even wear fake eyelashes, so I think you'd really like this, and it's affordable. It's under 25 bucks. I think it's like 22 bucks. So link down below. And then lastly, let's see. We have the Kiko Milano Free Soul eyeshadow palette and brush. I have such trouble trying to show you guys this palette because it broke in my car. Well, I think when they sent it to me, it was actually broken. Kiko sent this to me. I actually have the salmon color on the inner portion of my eye right now. And I love this palette. I love the gold shade. That's why I'm holding it like this. That's what shattered. That's an actual gold pigment. I don't want to waste it, but let me show you how pigmented this is. Every time I see it, I'm like, oh my God, why did it have to break? It's so gorgeous. I cherish every little penny of that. That's why I don't swatch it for you guys often, because I'm like, I don't want to waste it. It is gorgeous. And I feel like it would look good on so many skin tones. So this is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum by Skinceuticals, and this is the gold shade from the palette. Please go get the palette. It's affordable. I'll leave a link to it down below. It's beautiful. Even, I would buy the palette just for this shade. It's just a beautiful shade. So that is it for me, friends. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know if you're interested in seeing more vlogs. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like vlogs? I feel like there's like polar opposites. People either love them or hate them. I love watching vlogs. I love watching vlogs. I watch at least like one vlog a day. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you like vlogs? I'm curious to know. That is it from me, friends. Don't forget to check out the videos on the screen. Give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you soon. Bye.